In this short video, I'll show you how to do one-way analysis of variance using Excel. So here, this is my data set, and I want to compare if there's any significant difference in test scores between these three age groups. So the first steps that I do is to create three columns for each age group. So I have an age group for less than 30, then another age group for 31 to 40, then my third age group is above 40. Then I copy their scores and put them here. So this is the scores for less than 30. I put it here, less than 30. Then for 31 to 40, I copy them and put them here. Then my last age group is above 40. So this is the data for above 40. Copy. I paste it here. Now I have the three data columns for the three different age groups. Then the next thing I do is to add add-ins for the analysis. So I go to File, Options. Under Options, I click Add-ins. Then at the bottom of the window, I go to Manage Excel Add-ins and click on Go. After clicking on Go, the available add-ins appear. For me, I want to use all these, so I just select all of them and say OK. After I do that, now I'm ready to do my analysis of variance. I go to Data. Then on the extreme right, I click Data Analysis. Then choose Single Factor. In Excel, single factor is the same as one-way analysis of variance. Then I say OK. Input range, this is where I indicate the range of the data to be analyzed. In this case, I want to analyze this data. This is my input range. Then on the output range simply means where do I want my data to be inserted. In this case, I want my data to be inserted here, just below the data. Then I say OK. And now my data is appearing here. The table for the analysis of variance is now here. It's showing me the count. So it means for each age group, I have 10 participants. Their sum, their variance, and their average. And here the sources like the between and within variances, the source of variance between cells and within cells, and also the degrees of freedom. To say between is 2 degrees of freedom because I have 3 groups. Then 27 for within. Then the MS, the F factor, the P value, and the F crate. So here what's important to look at is the P value, because I wanted to see if there's any difference in test scores between these three age groups. My P value here is 0.154044, and that value is greater than 0.05. So it means there is no significant difference between the test scores of these three age groups. In other words, there's strong evidence for the null hypothesis. So I reject the alternative and accept the null, that there is no differences in test scores between these three age groups. Thank you.